Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Saeco Gran Barista Avante espresso machine, and let's go ahead and pull a shot. We're not going to use the milk carafe, so we're just going to pour a shot without the milk carafe. Oh, I guess I pressed the espresso macchiato, that's why we got the steam out of there. My mistake, I meant to press the espresso. So we get a nice shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please check our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.